Do you know many people are having trouble with their Galaxy Watch 6 screen showing Show FF? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press button. First, press either the home button or back button to try turning on the screen. Step 2. Raise wrist. If that doesn't work, try raising your wrist. Ensure their Raise Wrist to Wakes option is enabled in the display settings. Step 3. Tap screen. Try tapping the screen. If it still doesn't turn on, enable touchscreen to Wakes in the display settings. Step 4. Rotate bezel. If you have the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, you can try rotating the bezel. Enable turn bezel to Wakes in display settings if required. Step 5. Cover screen. To turn off the screen, you can cover it with your palm. It also goes off automatically after a set period of inactivity. Step 6. Enable Always On. Enable the Always On display by opening the quick panel and turning on the Always On display switch in display settings. By following these steps, your Galaxy Watch 6 screen should no longer stay OFF and will turn on as expected. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.